Bring the taste of the campfire indoors with the Nostalgia Tabletop Indoor Electric S'mores Maker. Unpack the s'mores maker and discover the 4-compartment trays and 2 stainless steel roasting forks. The electric flameless heater provides the perfect toasting temperature, without the hassle of open flames. The sturdy trays keep your graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows organized and accessible. Easily roast marshmallows to golden perfection, then assemble delicious s'mores right at your table. Compact at 12 inches wide, this 270-watt s'mores maker is perfect for indoor movie nights, sleepovers, and family gatherings. Nostalgia, preserving the past, embracing the present.